Mechanical watches and motorsports have a strong connection throughout history. Inspired by racing cars, we designed a unique watch with a 180-degree time-reading display. This is the Infinity 2 by Alto 8. The dial of the Infinity 2 reminds you of a speedometer, where the upper part shows the hours, the outer part shows the minutes, and the lower part shows the seconds. Hands and numbers coated with Swiss Superluminova can be read clearly even at night. We designed the Infinity 2 case with octagonal shape that has 44 faces, with each cut corner polished separately. The green and white cases are finished with scratch-resistant Cerakote coating, which in combination with a floral rubber strap makes the Infinity 2 a perfect daily watch. This limited series watch will be a unique addition to your look to emphasize your lifestyle. The Infinity 2 by Alto 8.